Cleaning your driveway can make the entrance to your home look new again. To begin this project, you want to remove all furniture items and vehicles from the area to be cleaned. When that's complete, attach the 25-degree nozzle to your pressure washer and spray away any leaves or loose dirt. For best results, I recommend using detergent to cut down on your cleaning time and to clean more thoroughly. To do this, we'll need to attach the detergent nozzle. Fill the detergent tank with Karcher's environmentally friendly deck and patio cleaner and apply it to the surface and allow it to soak for 3 to 5 minutes. The detergent will break down grease and oil residues for more effective cleaning. If you're looking for really even, professional results, consider purchasing one of Karcher's wide area surface cleaners, which attaches to your wand and lets you clean an area 12 inches wide with each pass, and keeps the nozzles at a fixed height from the surface, delivering easy, streak-free cleaning and keeping you dry in the process. Another accessory you might find handy is a Karcher Dirt Blaster rotary nozzle. The Dirt Blaster truly lives up to its name, as you can see here. After the entire surface has been cleaned, give the area a final rinse using the 25-degree nozzle. Working away from the pressure washer, begin cleaning in a continuous side-to-side sweeping motion. Keep the nozzle moving constantly at all times and a consistent distance to prevent uneven cleaning. This will flush away any remaining detergent or dirt. For optimum results, always test a small, inconspicuous area before starting a cleaning project with your pressure washer.